My name is Manuel Jimenez from Noé's Bakery. We have owned this bakery for a long time. We had always baked with traditional rotary ovens, but we have finally decided to take a step further once we verified that these ovens offer great quality. The static refrac thermal oil ovens have provided us the quality we used to have and have made our baking far easier. Automating the loading and unloading process with the automated loader has definitely made our work easier. Not only is it easier now, but also we obtain a better productivity. We have avoided night loading and unloading hours of staff. We have improved our productivity. Our production has increased about 40% with the same baking quality. We have increased our productivity and business profitability, which is what concerns us, aside from making good quality bread. Another key issue is about development. The performance and strength of these thermal oil ovens is huge. They provide better development and stability of dough, baking a greater and much more attractive bread. With these stone baking ovens, we get better quality crust and bottom surfaces. The crumb structure is greatly developed, conserving its moisture and aroma. Quality bread is perfect bread. The uniformity it provides the baking process and the volume it gives the bread, we get a bread with an irregular and large alveolate, nice structure, and great volume. We are delighted with this change, and not only us, but all of our employees. That is what we have achieved. Make them happy and more productive.